Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys a set that I got from last year as my second graduation party. It's called Volcano Shootout from Hot Wheels. It comes with this car. It is Turbo Flame. Yep, Turbo Flame. You can see the name. And I like this design because I like this design on 2015. I like this kind of design. And you can see it's a try me button. And to press the button to wake the volcano. It's an action-packed shooting game. It says right here, launch cars at the moving creatures to defeat the evil volcano. Whoa. That looks like that. On the back, it talks the volcano. It has 2 game modes, time challenge and creature chase. You can see Magma Mouth and his volcano villains. The spiders, bats, snakes, the dragons, and the Magma Mouth volcano. Whoa. And you can see this volcano. You can see. And it says right here, can you defeat Magma Mouth and his army of volcanic villains? Damn. I can see. And the thing is, if I press this button, it makes some noises. Check this out here.
Hey, you let me out of this box before I erupt! Launch your car to defeat the great Magma Mouth! Volcano Shootout!
Wow. Second one.
Hey, you let me out of this box! Launch your car to defeat the great Magma Mouth!
That is really spectacular. But if you go to this switch, it can show the game modes that you can select. Hey, you can see the face and the lava. My God. It comes with 4 AA batteries. Wow. I can't believe it. Because in the next video, we're going to do a battle after my review. So I will see you in the next video.